my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here today. We're gonna do some spooky food, perfect for Halloween, and that's Mummy hot dogs. I love this recipe. We're gonna use crescent roll dough, hot dogs of course, and candy eyes because every mummy has to have eyes. Okay, perfect, let's get started. I'm just gonna start by opening the hot dogs. I wanna blot them dry because they're gonna be a little damp and it'll be easier for the dough to stick on. So that'll be perfect. I'm gonna move that right here. And then the next thing we have to do is the crescent roll. So help me out here. I gotta unroll him real quick and open this. Perfect. This is fun because you can get the kids involved with this recipe and it makes for just a blast. I'm just unrolling the dough. And I'm using crescent roll sheets, but you can also use crescent roll dough. You know, little crescent rolls, just pinch the seams together and it'll be fine. Okay, the fun thing about this is there's no rules. These are silly, they're whimsical, they're just goofy and fun. And all you need to do is slice your crescent roll dough. I use a pizza cutter, looks really good. And wrap the hot dogs, I almost said mummies. They're not quite mummies yet, but they're close. In our crescent roll dough, and there's no rhyme or reason. They can be cute, they can be goofy, they can be anything you want. So 2 to 3 strands of each one. Hang on a quick sec, let me just show you this one real quick. And it broke, big deal. We just keep rolling it around and one mummy's done. Okay, literally it's that quick. We're gonna put the eyes on at the end. So I'm just gonna finish doing all this and I'll check with you in just a minute, okay? So our hot dogs are all wrapped. They're all completely mummified. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 375, and we're not gonna put the eyes on until the very end, because if you put the eyes on now, they melt all over the hot dog in the oven. It is not a pretty thing. Maybe it's good for Halloween, but it's not good to look at. So let's put these in the oven and bake them. Okay, my friends. It was funny, I was pulling some stuff out of the refrigerator here, and my friend Elias that always stops by and helps me with filming, he's like, what are you doing, Deb? I'm like, you're just gonna have to wait and see. So every hot dog has to have dippers, right? And why not make them a little more fun? So that's what we're gonna do. So I have ketchup, I have mustard, and in the first ketchup, I knew that was gonna make a horrible noise, I'm sorry. It is what it is. And then put some mustard in the second ketchup. And does that not look like an eyeball? Is that totally cool? But why have an eyeball when you can have kind of a horror show eyeball? Is that awesome or what? Okay, so there's one. We're gonna take the second one. I'm gonna put my skewer in the middle and just kind of swirl it around a little bit and just kind of make it fun and silly. So there's our second dipper. And for this one, we're gonna just drop some relish right in the middle of our mustard. Okay, that's set for our platter. That looks cool. Okay, these are done. They just came out of the oven. How fun is this? Okay, so we have our mummies. They're all baked. They're gonna be delicious, but we have to decorate them because they can't see right now, and we need mummies that can see. So I'm just putting just a dab of mustard, and that's gonna help hold, now that was too silly. That's gonna help hold that eye on there. And I'm gonna make some with 2 eyes, some with 1 eye. Just, I'm gonna have fun with it. So let's do this next. And now we're just decorating these little guys. You almost don't even need the mustard on to hold them, but how cute is that? Adorable. Let's do the rest of these. They're done. How cute is that? Perfect for Halloween. This is like total spooky fun. Every kid's gonna love this, big kids too.